Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, your DIY car guy. So today we'll be doing a quick installation video of the premium frameless wiper blade for Suzuki Swift. So as you can see, this is my old wiper blades. I'll just turn it on. So this wiper blades has some vibrations and noise. So what I'll be doing is I'll be replacing the wiper blades to the frameless wiper blades, as you can see. So this is from the PHC Valio. So usually when you see in cars like BMW, Mercedes and let's say Volkswagen brands, on top premium cars, you can see these type of frameless plates actually. So you will have the size mentioned here, 21, which is for the driver's side, and the 19 inches for the passenger side. Now let me just quickly show you how it looks. Okay, so this is how it looks, the frameless wiper blades. You will have the cover over here which will guard your rubber. So this is how it looks. It has a nice fit and finishing quality here. It also has this wing type of pattern here, which is for the aerodynamics when you drive at high speeds, and even if you turn on wipers, the wiper will be still sticking onto your glass and giving you clean wipes each time whenever you switch on your wiper. So now I'll be installing this on my Swift right away, so I'll quickly help you with the installation. Okay guys, now I'll be installing the wiper. So how you have to do is just remove this from here. You have a button here in this new wiper. You have to just press this and release this like this. Just have to lock this button here. So you have a lock here. Just press this and remove this lock in like this. All you have to do is just get this here, make sure this pin sits here tightly, and just lock it here. So now we have installed the frameless wiper. Okay guys, now let me show you a quick video of how the wiper is working. We have installed the new frameless wiper. So as you can see, now the wipes are much clearer, and the wiper noise has reduced to a great extent. You're getting very clean wipes with this, and a few tips to manage your wiper blades and the windshield. So we are using this Maruthi EcoStar wiper wash concentrate. So whenever your windshield is dry, this wiper concentrate will help you to keep your windshield very moist, and you will get much neat wipes without scratching your windshield. And that's pretty much about this video guys. Until we meet again, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.